So guys, this is the full video on how to now make an application at University of Bergamo. If you've not watched my previous video, please go and watch it where I talk about requirements and every other details. This video, it is straight to how to make an application. Thank you. Like 3 steps. Okay, see the first step, you have to register on their website. This is the registration guide. Then you will not pay the 30 euro pre-evaluation fee. Then before you will now come to DreamApply to then make an application. Okay, so we're going to start with the first step of registering. Now to register, we are going to come up here to this dashboard. Then we'll come to this corner here and then we click registration. Then you click new user registration. You will now tick here, which is to say you are a foreign student. Now click Avanti. So you're going to come here and fill in all of this information. When you finish filling it, you're going to automatically get a task code. Okay, then you now click next. All right, so you see the task code that to generate. Okay, this is it. So username, which you already have, then your password, which you've created, you now need to sign in here. All right, here you're going to fill all this information as well. So you said data initial validity. So here I'm going to put the date you started leaving your address. Okay, just choose any date from when you started living in your address. Then the ones with asterisk is compulsory. The one without asterisk is not compulsory. All right. So here I'm going to tick yes. Okay. Same thing here. You click residence. You put in your email address. You put in your preface of your phone number, which is +234. You put in your phone number here. So here you're going to create your password. You're going to confirm password and you click next. Okay. Okay, now you've created your you've created your password. Okay, so just scroll down. If you have anything to change, you can edit it to where this pen is. So you're going to click confirm. Okay, so here you can take note of your username and your password. Meanwhile, they will send you a link in your email address. It doesn't come early, so you wait and then you continue the registration or the authentication from there. Okay, so it says here proceed with authentication. So you click your username, which you already have, then your password, which you've created. You now need to sign in here. All right. So when you have logged in, you're going to come to this three icon. You're going to go to registrar's office. You click it. You come to evaluation test. Registration to the evaluation test. Going to click this first on DreamApply evaluation. Remember, we still have to go back to DreamApply to make the application. Click next, confirm and proceed. Submit a new identity document. So here you're going to fill in your international passport details. Then you come and click next. So it brings you here, you click forward, you click next, next. Complete the access to the test. Now you're not going to make payments. Okay, this is where you're going to be paying the 30 euros. So go to payments. Here you're going to be paying the 30 euros. This is for pre-evaluation. Okay, as an international student. So this is where you're going to be paying the 30 euros. So you can download the invoice from here. Okay, if you cannot make payments yourself. So if you want to make payments, you click here. If you want to make payment, you come here. Sorry, you come to this Pagamento con Pago Pay. So if you can't make payments, you click on this to download the invoice. Okay, so it will download the invoice and then maybe somebody can help you see the invoice. Somebody can help you make payments. If you require me to help you make any payments, okay, please reach out to me. It's not for free. I charge a fee for it. If you can pay yourself, you can come here, Paga con Pago Pay, or you Stampa the Aviso so that somebody can help you make payment, or I can actually help you make payment, or anybody can actually help you pay if you cannot pay from your country. Okay, so when we are done with this, we are now going to go back to DreamApply to then make an application. You come to this system DreamApply. So to find program, so you just leave the one of English, you tick out the rest. Make sure you click your country here. So it just helps you filter out the ones you will not be able to apply for. So here we have all of these courses. As a Nigerian, you can apply as a international student from Nigeria at the University of Bergamo. Okay, now you want to find out more information about this particular program or any program of your choice. You click this more information, or you click more information here. Come here and click apply now. So this dashboard has the same thing for Siena, Padova, and Pavia. So if you already have an account, you can actually use that same account to log in into this University of Bergamo. But if you don't, you click I'm a new applicant. You put your email, they'll send you a link on your email address. So you just follow the link and register, create your password, and that's it. Okay. So when you now come back here, you're now going to find your name and your details like this. So all you have to do is click it. When you click it, you will now put your password here. Okay, and you click sign in. So when you sign in, the program you have chosen will come up here. So you're going to attend to all of these items on the side of this dashboard. Okay, all of this. Okay, so you come to profile. You fill in all this information on profile. All. You don't have to click submit. Okay, don't bother clicking submit. You come back here again. You fill in contacts. That's how you go: education, language, employment, activities, residence. You fill it to the end till you get to the checklist. Okay, and you now come to checklist. So when you come to this checklist now, you can see that all these ones, there's nothing. You did not fill anything. Now how can you go back in case you also have filled something but it comes up like this? You can click it and then you choose the right thing. So he said, I have finished my undergraduate studies. I am preparing documents of submission. I have attached all the required documents to my application. So you click the one you have done. Then you also come here. If you have been instructed to attach documents, so you come here and instruct them here. Okay. So you just make sure you fill everything that I didn't fill up here. I was just trying to show you. So this particular university, just like Siena, Pavia, and the rest, you don't have a place to pay your what do you call it, your application fee here. They will send you the invoice, okay, on your email address, and then you pay it there. All right. So if you've watched in this time, thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Please like, share this video, comment if you have any problem, and I'll try my best to reply. In case you want to join my Telegram group, please feel free, DM me or send me an email to ask for the price. Okay, it's not free of charge. That's where I do my assistance and my guidance. And if you also want help with application, feel free to also DM me. I can actually help you to make an application. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Ciao.